Okay, so I've come home and this is what we've got. The swimming pool is filled up. You can see next door neighbour's garden started to flood there. You can see our storage containers are starting to float away, and you can see the river, and it's still absolutely pelting it down. Oh, and you can see the garden next door to our next door is completely swamped with water. I mean, it's pretty apocalyptic weather we have. And next door to us has really taken some water up to their house. I don't know how that's got to that level, but there you go. Wow, it's quite a lot of water. So fingers crossed the rain will stop pretty soon. Wow. I'll just change the angle of the camera. I don't know if you can see any better. But I'm guessing this is probably the worst it's ever been in this area. Oh. So you can see the flooding. Wow.